Alright. You gotta forgive me, gang. Damn. I know this ain't normally how I do the unboxing videos, but I couldn't wait. I've been waiting on this mug. I got a grill coming in. This is my grill right here, should be. Okay. Don't like the way it was packaged. Oh my Lord. Oh my, oh my. Oh my. My grill is here. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. This motherfucking hit, boy. Yeah, so if y'all know this is a grill, I've been waiting for my down grill, man. So, gonna put this joint on my teeth. But yeah, man, I ain't feel like waiting. I almost opened this whole joint without even getting it on film and everything like that. Cause I was like, boy, I've been waiting too long for this mug, boy. I'm gonna get back to y'all later. All right, so boom. At least y'all got to see me open it. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. But check. Oh, that motherfucker hitting, dog. Ah! Boy, these motherfuckers crazy. Hey, real talk though, I ain't got no lisp or nothing. Oh, hold on, let me say that shit again. I ain't got no lisp or nothing. Yeah, I sound the same. More or less. We shining, no blood.